Welcome back, YouTube. Today we have our special pin, and last time we had a special pin, we got the Gyarados pin. This time, however, I went down to Walmart. I got a Mega Scizor pin. You see in there? So it looks like, and yeah. That code card aside because it's no use being there. Let's get right on in there. Okay. Obviously, this isn't going as well planned. Hey, who cares about plans? That's the one booster pack, two booster pack, and our third booster pack, and of course the pin. Just throw that off to the side or on the floor. We're in the other. Floor is today. So, let's take a look at that pin for a second here. That's a great looking pin. So, today we have 3 booster packs. We have a Focus, a Greninja, Luxor, and a Mega Scizor. And we have, of course, the pin. So let's go ahead here and open them up. Our first one will be a Greninja. I'm going to find out a new way to record these videos. I'll find out a new way to record these videos, make them even better for you guys. So, let's get on into it. Hang on. Trying a new way of doing things. So, first of all, come on, get in focus there, bud. Alright, we'll do it this way. Let's use Determination. Swanna. Puzzle of Time. I don't think I have that one yet. We're going to have to just do with what we got here. Have a... Goodness. Ursula, Froakie, Ferroseed, Electabuzz. I don't know. Ooh, a reverse holo. Very nice. So, we're just going to... Is that in focus now? That's in focus. There we go. Got her back in focus. Ooh, and a rare holo. Come on. Back into the focusness. There we go. That's nice. Alrighty. So, now, to our second pack, which is a Luxio on the top of that. Just move all these cards off the side. Black cards. Oh my goodness, I'm getting a camera, so don't worry guys. We'll deal with cameras next time. Hopefully. And we have here a... What's what we got now? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. We got Sudowoodo, Bayleaf, Max Potion, Phantom, Psyduck, it's my boy, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Drowsy, Reverse Holo Spritzy, and a Meowstick, which I do not have yet, I don't think. That's rare, so that's cool. Put those off there, and we're getting on to our last one, which is a Mega Scizor. EX, I don't know if it is or not. I'll have to find out some other time. But, okay, it's not wanting to open. Okay, guys, this is the Mega Scizor. So we're going to go ahead and tap him with the other Mega Scizor. And let's see how our luck is. If it's anything better than what it was before. 3. Kricketune, Standler, Puzzle of Time, Electabuzz, Numel, Rattata, Petalil, Skorupi, Reverse Hollow Nuzzle Leaf, which I do not have, which is very, very nice, like that, and a Zebstrika, I don't know. So, no good pulls this time, no like wonderful pulls, but I did get like, I think 2 or 3 cards I did not have before, and yeah, 3 or so cards I didn't have before that I got this time, so that's not too bad. So, just overview of what I got a bunch of cards, 3 booster packs, and a Mega Scizor pin, which is very nice. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, do whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.